Today I'm going to unbox some of the gifts that you receive from a family and friends. Hi everyone and welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Francine and on this channel I share videos about moving to and settling in Canada.
From dreams to reality, this is your moment. Newcomer journey. Begin.
Hello and welcome back to the channel. In my previous video I shared how our family is growing and my baby shower, and today I'm going to unbox some of the gifts that you receive from our family and friends, and I'm glad you can join me as I'm doing this. So let's go. So let's start with this basket. I believe this came from my coworkers. These two came from my coworkers. Type organizer. This will be very useful. We have some hangers, baby closet. We have some baby wipes. We have a bottle of water for active kids. So we have a car. How cute. We have some washcloth for some baby socks. We have coconut water. I believe this is for me. Last but not least, we have mélange de montagne, some chocolates. Okay, thank you so much. Other one. So here we have this very cute and soft this baby blanket that came with the teddy bear. So cute, from Clément. And it also came with toys for the stroller and a baby outfit. Ooh, look at this. Whale little one. So cute. Go with this one. So we have this nipple shape. I believe this was from my baby registry. Aww, we have some baby outfit. Look at this, how cute. We have this silicone bead. This was from my registry. Oh, one more outfit. Born in 2026. How cute. I love this. And one more. We have this mom cozy bottle warmer with the greeting card. Thanks so much. One. Oh, so we have this Aka breast pump. It's kind of a kit. This also came from my registry, baby registry on Amazon. So the mom cozy travel baby bottle, very useful. Okay, let's open this one. Some more of the baby bibs and this very comfy baby blanket and baby towels and washcloth. Very cute. What's in here? So here we have mama pajama. Yay, thank you so much. More baby clothes. In different size. This is from 9 to 12 months. I love that they come in different colors. One more hooded baby towel. I'm in a pack of 2. So this was from my registry. Some baby clothes from Carter's. So they come in different colors. So somebody. And here my neighbor just got me a bunch of clothes. So this bag is full of clothes of different size. Look at this, how cute. So this is full of clothes, different age and size. Mom to be tag. Yeah, so cute. Look at this. This bag is full of different age and color, size. these. This will be very useful during winter time. This is full of clothes. Another one, we have this baby wipes and some other items. We have this baby brush and comb. We have baby powder, Johnson, the Vaseline. We have this Aveeno baby cream, nighttime balm. And here, this is a storage basket. It was also bought from my Amazon registry. Get it from Amazon. Another Amazon package. So all the Amazon packages came from my baby registry. Oh, okay, so we have this ball breast pad. We have diaper bag here. This is a diaper bag. Let's see what's in here. Oh, some very cute little socks. What does it say? I'm not crying. I hope so. Nobody sleeps. I may be small. 100% perfect. Come with different messages. Another one. Photo frame through the year. Oh wow. See how cute? Look at this. How cute. From 1 to 12 months. Get an opportunity to document your baby growth. Then we have some more extra frame. Baby journey. Come in different size. So this is for newborns. And this is for, and the other one is between 8 to 14 pounds. We have these two big boxes. Let's see what's in here. So this is a baby bounce. I'm very grateful because it was in my baby registry. I know how useful this is going to be when the baby is here. So it's a baby bounce and it can hold the baby up to 18 kilos. So between 6 to 40 pounds, the baby can still use it. One more. I have a gigantic box here from Amazon. Let's see what's inside. Okay, so this is a baby bathtub. So this is a baby bathtub. It also comes with a sit-up support system. I believe this is it. I love the color and it's really heavy. So here are some of the gifts that we have received so far from our family and friends here in Canada. We are so grateful for the gifts, for the support, for kind words. So this is the end of today's video. Thank you for watching. I hope you stay tuned and follow our journey in this new chapter. I hope to catch you in my next one. Bye for now.
Gotta switch. Step into your story, from dreams to reality. This is your moment.